Afternoon folks, this is my first video because I'd searched for YouTube to try and find a repair, but didn't find anything particularly on this Bosch model, which quite surprising. And there's just demonstration videos, but there was a video on a different machine that I worked from. So this is the ALS 30. So remove all your outer screws, it's quite easy, lift it off. Now this is what we have inside. So we've got motor, speed control, on and off switch, safety switch 1, safety switch 2. Right, now the safety switches seem to be the things that possibly cause the problem, because really there's not a lot else to go wrong, unless there's this little circuit board. So what you have to do is, if you push the tube in, this is the tube to the bag, push it in so that it engages the switch. So the little red pointers you can see there, just make sure they're pushed in, and that completes the circuit in the switch to test the switch is working. You don't have to put the end on, you could just put some duct tape or something around it to hold the little pins inwards. And it's the same on this big one as well. Now this switch is a little different, you can't actually see it, but underneath here is just like a spring-loaded clip, and that is pushed in from here. It sits in there like that, and then when you attach the suction pipe, oops, sorry, it comes in and comes up, and you see it goes in there, and it's supposed to push up. Let's see if you can see the little silver thing. Well, there's a slot that this slides into, and supposedly pushes it together to make the switch work. Now, no matter what I tried, just would not work. So I first of all taped them both up, and the machine worked. So then disconnected this one. Now if one of them isn't connected, the machine still won't work. You've got like a double safety thing. So this one here, tape it up and see how you go, and if you get it working, you'll be all right. And I'll just switch it on, as you can see now, plug it back in, and there we go. However, just to reiterate, if I remove this tape, which is how it's supposed to be, and let this plastic tongue engage it, for some reason you can still hear the switch click, but it just must not be engaging it fully and making the circuit. So give that a try. You could have that switch that's needs taping up, or it could be this one. You need to tape up the same. Just pull that out. See that? The black collar there just pushes in. So your first thing to try is, as I've done, tape this up, tape that up, then just carefully slide your on and off switch so that it just engages on it and pushes the little red button there inwards, and that will then complete the circuit all the way around. And if it works, you've only got to tape up or bypass, doesn't really matter. Just bear in mind, if you disable both of them, you'd have no safety system. Luckily with this one, I can just leave this one taped up, so if this isn't attached, the machine won't work anyway. So all good. So I hope you get your ALS 30 working, because they seem to have quite a lot of bad reviews from what I've read on the internet. People say they just stopped working, and it just could be something very simple like this. Thank you. Bye for now.